Okay, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna get this out. Okay, and as you guys, if you guys watching my program last night, you can see, so we have this little thing inside of it, which we put all the ingredients in it. Okay, I don't remember where I bought this. I think I brought it off a line. You can get it online to buy, but they are very good to make teas at home. Okay, so if you are looking for a nice good cup of tea, this is going to be one of the best things to use at home to make tea, guys. All right, and this piece come out, or you can also wash it and use it. I have it for a very long time. If you watch my program, you can see I have it long time, but I didn't use it. I'm always boiling my tea, but I know if you do your tea this kind of way, it's much more better for you. Okay, now what we're going to do next now is we're going to get the ginger. Okay, so this is a large tablespoon of fresh grated ginger, and we're going to put it straight down inside of it, just like that. So we on episode 14. Okay, guys, episode 14. All of these recipes is going to be in episode 14. Okay, now the ginger tea is very strong, but also we're going to put one tablespoon of fresh grated garlic also inside of it. You don't have to use so many garlic because I'm making a large cup of tea. Okay, you don't have to use a lot. You can just use a little bit, okay, inside of it. Also, you can put lemon inside of it if you want to put some lemon. Lemon works really well. Lemon and garlic works really good. Okay, now what you're going to do, you're going to pour hot water, okay, into it like this. So we're going to put roughly about 1.5 cups of hot water in it. Okay, and then we just simple cover it like this and leave it for it to jar for at least a couple of minutes, and then we're going to make a nice lovely cup of tea. We're going to drain it off, and then you can add a little bit of a honey. You can add a little bit of a honey towards it, and it must be organic honey. Don't use any honey, guys. Don't use sugar and all of those things. Now, if you're a person who have high blood pressure, then this goes down really well for you. Okay, all right. Now, this morning I did the video this morning. All right,